Hey guys, MJ here from Nitewalker Gear. Now, Nitecore finally made their version of rechargeable AA batteries and they are incredible. Right, 3 times faster charging, longer runtime and smarter design. Let me show you the 3 reasons why this is the best rechargeable AA battery on the market today. Before we dive in, I'm giving away 2 packs of these amazing batteries to 2 lucky viewers. Just subscribe and drop a comment below to let me know, would you use these new AA batteries? If yes, where? If not, why not? Once this video reaches 500 likes, I'll pick 2 winning comments. Now, Nitecore is no stranger to making rechargeable batteries. They are well known across industries for the quality of their 18650 and 21700 size batteries. Governments use them, robotic factories use them, universities use them. Why? Because when a Nitecore battery says 5000 mAh capacity and 15 ampere output, it's 100% true. There are many batteries on Amazon that advertise high but lower actual performance. Like these fake batteries here, one is wrapped Ultra Fire, it says 6800 mAh, but when we tested it, it delivered barely 2000 mAh. And this mega battery here that says 8000 mAh, but again, it doesn't output anything at all. Right? These are fake batteries that you can find all over the place on Amazon. Back in April 2024, we saw Nitecore pushing towards built-in charging port batteries with the 18650 size batteries and 21700 size batteries. So no need for a bulky charger like this, where you gotta slot it in here. All you need is just charge it via a USB-C port. Just plug it in up the top. Right there you can see the red light here. A small light tells you when it's fully charged and that's it. Right, super simple. Now many of us are asking, why not do the same for everyday AA batteries? Well, they took their time to perfect it and now it's finally here. Now the first big reason why these are incredible is charging time, because no one wants to wait around for hours, right? Most rechargeable batteries take forever to charge. Take the IKEA Lada for example, they need 8 to 10 hours to fully charge on their own external chargers. Now that's half a day gone. The NH2400 does it 3 times faster with USB-C charging. Now all 4 batteries charge in just 3 hours using the included 4-way split USB-C cable. One side connects to a power bank or adapter here, right? You can use either the USB-A or USB-C side, so I'm going to use USB-C, and the other half connects to each battery this way. So you can see a red light on top indicates it's charging. Once it turns green, you're good to go. Even if you lose this 4-way cable, you can use any USB-C cable you already own to charge the battery. No need for bulky chargers or specialized charging accessories, right? So this saves space, especially when traveling, leaving room for more batteries. Now here's a life-saving feature. You can use even a power bank exactly like this to charge these batteries. Right? In an emergency, if your AA powered radio is your only way to stay informed, these batteries let you transfer power easily. Right? It's an important addition to any bug-out bag or survival kit, adding one more layer of preparedness. Right? The second reason is capacity. At 2400 mAh, these batteries pack enough power to keep your devices running longer. High-drain gadgets like cameras, gaming controllers, and flashlights benefit from fewer interruptions and less frequent battery changes. This is especially important for devices like digital door locks and wireless cameras that need battery swaps every few months. When comparing capacity, the NH2400 is right there with Energizer's 2300 mAh and Anyloop Pro's 2450 mAh. But it's the next reason, voltage, where Nitecore really stands out. Most rechargeable AA batteries only provide 1.2 volts, which can lead to underperformance in high-demand devices. And some RC car controllers recommend not using 1.2 volt batteries because they need 1.5 volt to get optimum range. Lower voltage means weaker range. The NH2400, on the other hand, delivers a constant 1.5 volt output all the way to the end of its charge. It also has an exceptional discharge curve, far superior to anything else on the market. This smooth and gradual voltage drop ensures stable, long-lasting performance. Now take a look at this chart. While traditional batteries drop quickly, the NH2400 maintains a consistent voltage for much longer. This means that your devices, whether it's a flashlight, camera, or gaming controller, won't experience sudden power loss or flickering. If you're worried about cost versus disposable batteries, these not only save you hundreds of dollars over its 500 recharge cycles, but it also eliminates the need for over 500 disposable batteries. I think about all the waste when you use disposable batteries. Now, is the price worth it? Yes. While upfront cost may be higher than disposable batteries, the NH2400 pays for itself after just a few recharge cycles. It's also cheaper than other brand rechargeable batteries because you don't have to bear the cost of an external charger. The last 2 weeks, I've replaced every single disposable AA battery in my home and office to these and it feels great. When traveling or camping, the NH2400 comes with a protective case like this, perfect for tossing in your bag without worry. For more rugged activities, you can grab one of our glow-in-the-dark waterproof power pods like this, available in 4-pack or 8-pack versions, right? These whole 8 packs. Now, some of you have asked about compatibility with the MT2A Pro and MT1A Pro lights. Here, right, they work, but keep in mind their 1.5 volt output won't deliver the same brightness as the 3.7 volt batteries that those lights are designed for. This is the 14500 3.6 volt battery that comes with the MT1A Pro. Right, looks exactly the same as the NH2400 battery with the USB-C charging port. The 3.6 volt battery gets you 800 lumens on the flashlight, while the 1.5 volt battery gets you 200 lumens. Right, for the MT2A Pro, you can use the 2 AA batteries in place of the very long 14100 battery that comes with it, but you will get 500 lumens instead of 1000 lumens. While we've added these two lights and these batteries in bulk, make the perfect blackout kit for any home, office or emergency anywhere in the world. Pack 2 MT2A Pros in a pouch like the small MPP30 here, throw in 2 waterproof battery packs like this, have the charging cables in a Ziploc bag, and everything is waterproof. Floods, water crossing, typhoons, you don't have to worry about your lighting gear getting damaged. And there you have it, 3 reasons why the NH2400 is the best rechargeable AA battery on the market today. Crazy fast 3-hour recharge without bulky chargers, 2400 mAh capacity, and unmatched 1.5 volt output to power your devices the way they are meant to work. Now, should you buy this? 100%. Replace every disposable AA or rechargeable AA battery you have in your home with these today. Now, these are all in stock at nitecore.sg/nh2400. Get them in packs of 4, 8 or 12 with discount for larger orders. Now, orders ship within days, and as always, you're covered by our 6-day money-back guarantee and 1-year warranty. Now remember, this channel isn't endorsed by Nitecore. I started it to share the gear I sell, and every order you make helps us create better videos. So what do you think of the NH2400? Would you use it? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one.